up your rag and let me see what it is.
Okay. You don't take a picture?
No, you're not bringing him inside. What is it?
A frog.
Open it up. Turn him over, Brad. You're suffocating him. Turn him over.
No.
Put him down, Brad. You're going to hurt him. Put him down.
Wow.
See, he's upside down.
I'm not the mom.
Catch the other one. Catch the other one. Catch it. Catch it.
That was not bad. That's a bad one.
No, he ain't.
Hey. I'm not the man. Let's get down there and catch one. Can we get down there and catch one?
If you want to.
I'll bring you the house. I can get down.
Wait, Ashton.
Oh, I gotta get a plate.
No, come on, let's go inside.
No,
Them frogs are dirty. Come on inside and don't worry about them. Come on.
There's poop on this.
What?
Poop.